The points P and Q have coordinates 0, 6 and 4, 0 respectively. Find the equation of the line PQ. Also find the equation of the line perpendicular to PQ through its midpoint. So we've been given 2 points P and Q, and we have to find the equation of the line PQ first, right? Okay, so now we know that the equation of a line can be written as the standard format: y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m is the slope, x1 and y1 are the points, where is the point through which the line passes, right? So what we, m is the slope, I said that. So m, you can work out what m is with 2 points, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So you can take whichever one as x1 y1, so you can take this as x1 y1 or x2 y2, whichever one. It doesn't really matter as long as it's y2 minus y, you're um, taking the difference of the y coordinates first and dividing it by the difference of the x coordinates and maintaining the same, x and y, x2 and y2s and x1s and y1s. So then what you get here in this case is m would be 0 minus 6 is what I did, and divided by 4 minus 0. So that would give you minus 6 out of 4. You see, if you had the other way around, it would still be 6 out of minus 4 or minus 6 out of 4. So that would give you minus 6 out of 4. Be careful with the signs. I got the signs wrong in this question a few times, so I had to go back and change all of it. So minus 6 out of 4 is what I got, and then that would equal minus 3 out of 2. I hope I got that right, and I think I did. So the equation of the line would be y minus 0 equals minus 3 out of 2 times x minus 4. So then what we get is y equals minus 3 out of 2 times x out of 4, and simplifying, what we get is 2y equals minus 3x plus 12. Thus you would multiply both sides here times 2 and times 2, and you get 2y equals minus 3x plus 12. So that would be the equation of the line. Yeah, so I got that right. Yeah, so now we can write it in another way. We can bring the 3x to the left side and bring it to the right side. So you can choose a format, but essentially that is the equation of the line. So the next part that we want to do is a B part. So find the equation of the line perpendicular to PQ through its midpoint. So for this we have to first find the midpoint, and we have to find the line perpendicular. So the slope will be perpendicular, and we know that the rule for perpendicular lines is product of slopes equals minus 1. So if you have m1 was the slope of one line, the slope of the other one was m2, their product would be minus 1. And in this case the slope is, if we said m1 equals minus 3 out of 2, then m2 would be simply 2 out of 3, product being minus 1. And the midpoint, now we know the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2, that would be a midpoint. So we can find the midpoint of PQ. First we get the slope, and then we do the midpoint, and then we find the equation of that line. So the slope of the line, as I said, line PQ is minus 3 out of 2. and the slope of the perpendicular line would be 2 out of 3. Product of slopes is -1. And then so the equation of the line once again is going to be of the format y minus y1 equals 2/3 x minus x1. Now midpoint 0 plus 4 divided by 2 and 6 plus 0 divided by 2, that gives you 2 and 3. Now be careful with signs once again, please. And then so our equation, we do that. So equation will be y minus 3. Yes, that's 3. Y minus 3 equals 2/3 of x minus 2. So we simplify it, or we multiply both sides by 3 to start with. So it will be 3y minus 9 equals 2x minus 4. So we get oh yeah, I rewrite. I just wrote it again. Yeah. Okay. So then 3y minus 9 equals 2x minus 4. Right? Yeah. Then what we get is, therefore, 3y becomes 2x plus 5. Minus 4 plus 9, that's minus 5. So this is your equation of the line. So the line perpendicular to PQ, that would be the equation 3y equals 2x plus 5.